Hello, good evening everyone. Today we are starting medieval history. Topic Mughal dynasty Babur. Question number 1. Alam Khan, who one of those who invited Babur to invade India was. Right answer is option number A. An uncle of Ibrahim Lodi and a pretender to the throne of Delhi. No direct explanation. Alam Khan was the uncle of Ibrahim Lodi who invited Babur to invade India. During the fourth Indian campaign of Babur, the relationship between Ibrahim Lodi and Daulat Khan became bad. Ibrahim Lodi ordered Daulat Khan to visit his capital, but Daulat Khan violated his orders and sent his son Dilawar Khan to Babur with a message to help him to dethrone Ibrahim Lodi and enthrone Alam Khan in place of him. It was a golden opportunity for Babur as he already received the invitation of Rana Shanga, the king of Mewar. He was quite assured that the opportunity to win India has come. Question number 2. During the annexation of Afghanistan, who invited Babur to invade India? Answer is option C, Daulat Khan. Question number 3. The Mughal ruler of medieval India were. Option number A, Persian. Option number B, Afghans. Option number C, Chagatai Turk. Number D, none of the above. Answer is option number C, Chagatai Turk. The Mughal ruler belonged to the Chagatai branch of Turks. This name was derived after the second son of Genghis Khan. He was the ruler of Central Asia and Turkestan. Question number 4. Who among the following defeated Babur in the Battle of Saripur? Answer is option is A, Abdullah Khan Uzbek. B है Shaibani Khan. C है Ubaidullah Khan. D है Jani Beg. Answer is Shaibani Khan. Shivani Khan invaded Fargana in 1501 AD and defeated Babur at the Saripul and occupied Samarkand. Babur fled and for the 3 years wandered around the hills of Afghanistan and the plains of Khorasan. He made several attempts to recapture Samarkand but each time suffered defeat at the hand of Shivani Khan. Tughluma technique was used by Shivani to defeat Babur. Question number 5. Which Mughal emperor followed Ottoman system of war in India? Option number A, Akbar. B, Shahjahan. Option number C, Babur. D, none of the above. Answer is option number C, Babur. Mughal ruler Babur used Ottoman system of war during the first battle of Panipat 1526 AD. The most important reason for the victory of Babur in the battle was his artillery cannon guns led by Ali Quli and use of Tughluma and Arab tactics by him. Question number 6. The first battle of Panipat was fought between option A, Babur and Rana Sanga. B, option number B है शेर शाह सूरी एंड अकबर. सी है हुमायूं एंड इब्राहिम लोधी. ऑप्शन नंबर डी है बाबर एंड इब्राहिम लोधी. तो राइट आंसर है यहाँ ऑप्शन नंबर डी, बाबर एंड इब्राहिम लोधी. The first battle of Panipat took place on 21 April 1526. It was fought between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi. In North India, Babur had specific military tactics including use of gunpowder, firearms and field artillery. Firearms and field artillery. The army of Ibrahim Lodi had lost the battle despite being The army of Ibrahim Lodi had lost the battle despite being more in number. Ibrahim Lodi was killed in this battle. As a result, after victory in this battle, the entire area up to Delhi and Agra come under Babur's control. Babur declared himself the ruler on 27 April 1526 AD and founded Mughal Empire in India. Babur's war tactics, Tughluma war technique, artillery, gunners, and horsemen played an important role in his victory. Question number 7. The main reason for Babur's victory in the Battle of Panipat was. ऑप्शन नंबर ए हिज हॉर्स राइडिंग फोर्स, बी हिज स्किल्ड वारफेयर, सी तुगलमा सिस्टम, डी है इंटरनल डिस्प्यूट्स अमंग अफगान्स। राइट आंसर इज हिज स्किल्ड वारफेयर। The first battle of Panipat was fought between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi on 21 April 1526. The main reason of Babur's victory in the Battle of Panipat was his skilled warfare. The army of Babur was smaller than the army of Ibrahim Lodi. Even then, he won the battle with the help of his effective warfare policy. Babur noted Ibrahim Lodi was an inexperienced young man, careless in his movement, who marched without order, halted or retired without method, and engaged without foresight. Question number 8. The reason for Babur's victory over Ibrahim Lodi was number A bravery of Babur, B है artillery, C है weakness of Ibrahim, D है skilled commandant. So this is a repetition of last question. Skilled commandant were the primary reason for Babur's victory of Ibrahim Lodi. Question number 9. At which of the following battles was artillery used for the first time by one of the two armies? Question option number A first battle of Panipat, B है battle of Khanwa, C है battle of Plassey, D है third battle of Panipat. So answer is option A first battle of Panipat. In India, artillery was used for the first time in the battle of Panipat, but Babur mentioned the use of artillery and gun for the first time in the battle of Bajaur, Pakistan in 1519 AD. The first battle of Panipat was fought on 21 April 1526. It was fought between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi. The battalion of artillery was headed by Ustaz Ali Kul and the battalion of gunners was headed by Mustafa. Question number 10 है whom did Babur defeat in the first battle of Panipat? Answer is ऑप्शन ए राणा सांगा, बी इब्राहिम लोदी, सी सिकंदर लोदी, डी शेर शाह सूरी. तो ऑप्शन बी इब्राहिम लोदी. Question number 11. In which year did Babur defeat Sultan Ibrahim Lodi at the Battle of Panipat? Answer is option B 1526 AD. Question number 12. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? First Battle of Panipat 1526, Battle of Khanwa 1527, Battle of Ghagra 1529, Battle of Chanderi 1530. So here wrong is Battle of Chanderi. Battle of Chanderi was fought in 1528 AD. Battle of Chanderi was fought in 1528 AD between Babur and Medni Rai. Next question, question number 13. Consider the following. The arrival of Babur in India led to the first introduction of gunpowder in the subcontinent, B second introduction of the arch and dome in the region architecture, third establishment of Temuri dynasty in the region. Select the correct answer using the code 1 and 2, 3 only, 1 and 3 only, 1, 2 and 3. The right answer is option number B 3 only. Question number 14. Consider the following statements. The arrival of Babur into India led to the option number 1 introduction of gunpowder in the subcontinent, B 2 है introduction of arch and dome in the region's architecture, third है establishment of Timuri dynasty in the region, 4 है introduction of cannon in warfare. So here is right answer is option number C 3 and 4. Question number 16. In which one of the following battles Rana Sanga fought against Babur? A है Battle of Panipat, B है Battle of Khanwa, C है Battle of Chanderi, D है Battle of Ghagra. So in Battle of Khanwa was fought between Babur and Rana Sanga. Option number B. Question number 17. The ruler of Mewar who was defeated in the Battle of Khanwa by Babur in 1527 was. Answer is option A Rana Pratap, B है मान सिंह, C है सवायुद्दीन सिंह, D है Rana Sanga. So right answer is D Rana Sanga. Question number 18. Who was defeated in the Battle of Khanwa? Answer is Rana Sanga. Question number 19. After becoming the Mughal ruler in India, Jahiruddin Muhammad adopted the name A. Babur, B. Humayun, C. Jahangir, D. Bahadur Shah. Answer is option A Babur. The full name of Babur was Jahiruddin Muhammad Babur. He was born on 14 February 1483 to Umar Sheikh Mirza and Kutgula Nigar Khanunum at Fargana. After the death of his father, he ascended the throne of Fargana in June 1494. As on 11 year and 14 months old minor, he declared himself the ruler on 27 April 1526 and founded Mughal Empire in India. Question number 20. Babur adopted the title of Padshah first at option number A Fargana, B Kabul, C Delhi, D Samarkand. So right answer is Kabul. Question number 21 is the empire of Babur included the option number one है the area of Kabul, B है the area of Punjab, थर्ड है द एरिया ऑफ मॉडर्न उत्तर प्रदेश, फोर है द एरिया ऑफ मॉडर्न राजस्थान. तो राइट आंसर इज सी 1 2 3 द एरिया ऑफ काबुल, पंजाब एंड उत्तर प्रदेश. The empire of Babur included Kabul and the area of modern Uttar Pradesh and Punjab. He used different systems to run different states. The regime of Badakhshan out of India was given to Humayun. Mir Fakhr Ali Hindal and Mirza Suleiman. Mir Yusuf Ali was appointed as a governor of Punjab and given the control of Bhira, Lahore, Dipalpur, Sialkot, Sirhind and Hisar Firouzja. Kandahar and Multan was given to Kamran. Question number 22. Identify the Mughal emperor who was success in life due to his patience and resolution is a lesson for everyone. Answer is Jahiruddin Muhammad Babur. The life of Jahiruddin Muhammad Babur gives a lesson of success in life due to his patience and resolution. The father of Babur died in his childhood days. It was the reward of his patience and resolution that he founded the Mughal Empire in India. Question number 23. Which Indian state has been mentioned by Babur in his Baburnama? Option A Odisha, B Gujarat, C Mewar, D Kashmir. Right answer is C Mewar. Babur mentioned two Hindu states, Vijayanagar and Mewar, in his Baburnama. He writes, when people at Kabul, Rana Sanga had displayed his loyalty to be present on his behalf and decided that if he, the Honored King, reaches Delhi from this side, I, Rana Sanga, will invade Agra from this side. This text written by Babur has an important place among the autobiographies all over the world. Abdul Rahim Khan translated Baburnama in the Persian language. The words composition written by Babur are composed in a Turkish text Divan. He wrote Mubayyan in a new Borse style, which is a book of Muslim law. The text Risale-e-Usaj written by Babur is considered as the most innovative style. Question number 24. Assertion and region. A. Babur wrote his memoirs in Turki region. Turki was the official language of the Mughal court. So right answer is option number C. A is true but R is false. The founder of the Mughal Empire, Jahiruddin Mahmud Babur, wrote his memoirs, Tujuk Babri, also known as Baburnama, in Turkish language, containing related event of his life. The Turkish language was not the official language of the Mughal Empire. The Persian language was the official language of the Mughal Empire. Question number 25. In which language was Tujuk Babri written? A है Persian, B Arabic, C Turkish, D Urdu. So we have discussed that C Turkish. Right answer is Turkish. Question number 6. Who built the Babri Mosque established in Ayodhya? A. Babur, B Humayun, C Nizamul Mulk, D Mir Baqi. So right answer is option number D, Mir Baqi. It is believed that Babri Mosque in Ayodhya was built by Mir Baqi. He was the commandant of Babur. So chapter is complete. Thank you.